Bring it over to my place.
No, no.
Hi guys, what's up? What's popping? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Susan Adike and I am a Nigerian food and lifestyle vlogger currently based in Dubai, UAE. So today is Monday and I'll be going to, I don't know where exactly, but I'm going to get foodstuffs today. I actually got a card to call somebody, but I'll try and do that. If our stuff are not so nice, then I'll go to the area to get the food stuff, because obviously that's the best place to get any of those things. And I also want to get my skincare product. My skin is getting back. I've been using Dove, and is it Dove? Yeah, I've been using Dove for a while and it's doing the job. Okay, so I'll see you guys much later. I went to get my food from downstairs.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute.
I actually have a list of what I came to buy, so I don't buy nonsense and I end up spending all the money. So yeah,
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
I don't know if I really need this thing or not. Even if not here, maybe in Nigeria, I don't know if I really need it. I don't know. I feel like buying it, but at the same time, I'm just like, do I really need it? This place is too big. Too big. To be for a baby now, I would have just gotten this really nice jeans. Baby stuffs are so cute. Like, this is the whole baby section, and bro, I want to have a child. I mean, look at this. Is winter socks. This one, they are selling winter socks in Dubai. I hope it's not like winter. I beg go. I know it's not something to be proud of, but trust me, I really don't know how to buy my bra. C or B, I don't know, I swear. I just pick at random. It's not nice at all, and I'm not proud of it, but I really love this one. But now I don't know if it's gonna size me. If you get going now, before I spend half of my money here, like I'm still upstairs, I'm not even going downstairs. And see, the basket is full. Wow. So I'm gonna pick this because this is what I say in my videos. Okay, I feel like taking one of these crop tops, but my stomach would be so mad at me. I have a big tummy.
Wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
So I changed to the bigger one instead of this one. This is 11. This is 20. Okay, could make sense. So I'm just gonna drop this back. Meanwhile, Christmas is coming. So I'm rounding up already. I'm feeling dizzy because I'm hungry as fuck. I'm at the perfume section. I just want to pick something really cheap and just go home from here. I'm tired, bro. I've been here since. Bye. Video. I'm so hungry. Hey, baby. Habibi wanna leave me in Dubai.
Bye. I'm going to back my country, Bangkok, Thailand. Swadika.
From Bangkok?
Yes. Swadika.
You're from Thailand?
Yes, of course. I'm from Thailand.
But then that's
Gong Tat Mahanakon.
One. And the chef.
Oh.
Very clean? You can wash my.
Come on, I put for you. Wash very clean. So high. Yes, honey.
No money, no need to go anywhere.
Yeah, everybody come back home. Yeah.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride.
Oh, they're gonna come.
No, not the day. Just today. Just today, Tomorrow no cook. No. I cannot. TV cooks got nothing on me. Okay? And that's a period. This is the first time I'm actually cooking since almost 6 months that I got to Dubai. It's crazy. I'm trying to be like Vivian. And that's on period. This has got to be the sweetest thing that has happened to me today. I literally just boiled this water and my custard formed. For the first time ever in my life. I've always been doing custard, yeah, but for the first time, there was no flop, and I did not have to start boiling or putting it, transferring it into a pot to make extra. Hey, that's an achievement. That's a big achievement. I'm even spitting. That's a big achievement, bro. This is the first time ever in my. Wow. I mean, what? I made custard. Hey! Put up move them. Anyways, phase 1 is done. We're done with phase 1. Now we are on phase 2, which is the sauce, which I'm supposed to use the frying pan to like do it, but the frying pan is messy and I don't have strength to go through that right now. So I'm just gonna use we're gonna use that, okay? Because right now I cannot come and kill myself. Why I know they like to cook with this? Now why? This is it. This is why. Because what is this? So I want to make a smoothie. I hope this blender works this time around. And I have this low-fat milk, and I'm gonna be pouring in this new glass. I don't know if you guys, for the OGs, you guys will know that I have this same exact cup back in Nigeria. I don't know, for some weird reasons I could not bring it. So yeah, this is the cover. I just got it when I went for grocery shopping. So I'm gonna be adding this watermelon. So here I have the blueberry, the tangerine, the grape, banana, apple, and ginger. Then I'm also going to be adding the watermelon. So let's get it. Imagine. Because I was about to just pour everything into here and just eat it like a fruit salad, and all of it, you see, you don't stop again. Don't be juju. At least it's doing the job. It's okay. Okay, that should be it for now. Not bad, not bad. So we give it one more try, okay? You guys, I have successfully destroyed my hair. You see, the curls are not popping anymore. I'm gonna rock it like that. I feel so bad, honestly. The curls are gone, like dead gone. So I added water and it came out back just a little bit. So I think I'm still safe. Hi guys, today is Saturday and I went to get my breakfast actually. People are actually looking at me and they are blacks. Blacks are the worst people. They will just be looking at you like, oh no. Anyways, I'm heading to work and I'll talk to you guys later. Woo! I love this. This is cool. One day I'm gonna afford all these things. One day. Nice.
拿这个回
好
家，
奇怪呀！
几多钱？
你看这小的，
看喽，
看了。
看不到，It's inside。
开不到的吗？
哎呦我的妈呀！多少？Yeah, it's here. 我靠！ Yeah， 这么小的。This junction, me, I'm tired. And Lisa is not tired. That's why I don't like coming to Dubai more, because it's so big and we have to touch almost everywhere, because obviously we can't touch everywhere, but it's crazy, bro. I don't understand why they're selling all this big thing. It's not like it's cold in Dubai. 𝐂𝐤𝐵 more. This is so pretty. See how many people were watching.
Hey, this is the Thailand. What?
I'm in heaven.我是录的啊。 Well, no come with
I think all your subscribers want to see me today, okay? Vote me more.
Hey, what you say? Every day I come here, I always feel like buying this thing, but I still have lotion, so I don't know if I should buy or not. And this is the body scrub. See, I'll just buy later, I beg. I want to buy Crocs, but Crocs don't want me to buy. So I'm trying to get a blender. I don't know which exactly to get. And I'm looking for a cheaper one because I'm not about to come and start a home in Dubai. Something that I could just buy and later maybe just sell it out or leave it in the dorm. Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay, I take yours, you take mine.
I'm so broke.
Yeah.
My friend with the iPhone 14. Oh my God, God when?
Yeah.
God provide for me. So higher.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Oh my God. Nah.
Apa ini? Matikan ini.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Wait, so full. I can't find that. You see. No. Put like that, see? Oh. Where's your eye,
Oh, nice. Good.
I can't find my scapula. I think you say your language. You ready? So. Oh, my mother like it.
So smart. And you wait up of the week already.
Hi. Whoa! Yeah! This is my investment, okay? Two the higher. This one there. Done.
So thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. I'm gonna end it here. and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.